Hello guys, so in today's video, big update, well not really an update, but something else. So basically, I heard Eagle Construction bought this place or not, I'm not too sure, but I just heard of this thing, like this building. It looks like this building was bought or just like under construction about something. So we got the door back here, a window, double doors, a window. I mean, we can tell from like these ones right here, from like this block. Just like a ladder? No, this is the ladder. I'm not too sure what this is. Like this thing. Probably like something like this one right here, like across from here, maybe. Or was it like a place? But I don't know. But I just started this building from YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts that I saw. Either Igor Construction. I think this place is being new or something. Like I said, I don't know. And also I got window, a table, ladder, cones, and stuff. Like this. Wooden planks. More of it. And I'm not too sure what it is. So that's about it for the video. So I hope you all are having a great day, and I will see you in the next one maybe. I'm too tired in the game. And I might see you in the next one. So if you want, you can check out this game here. Overwatch. Game. Emergency. Literally. No. ERCL, I think. Like the name for this game. Like the initial. Look, even this DOT came. I'm gonna access to, do you know? Hey, don't go! Oh, it doesn't like type. Wait. Do you know about this place? Before being under construction? I don't know, I just heard of it. I'm gonna ask him, do you know what place? Do you know about this place? Sorry. But watch this. Hi, sorry. Hi, I'm sorry. Anyways, guys, that's part of about it. So, I don't know. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I'll just search up what this place was. Anyways, that's about it for the video. So, I hope you all are having a great day. And, no, nothing else. Anyways, bye-bye, sir. I'm not going to see you. Bye-bye.